all around the water tank, waiting for a train. 1,000 miles away from home, sleeping in the rain. I walked up to a brakeman to give him a line of talk. He said, if you've got money, I'll see that you don't walk. I haven't got a nickel, not a penny can I show. Get off, you railroad bum. He slammed the boxcar door. De-yodel-lady, oh, de-yodel-lady, hey, de-yodel-lady. He put me off in Texas, a state I dearly love. The wide open spaces all around me, the moon and the stars up above. Nobody seemed to want me or lend me a helping hand. I'm on my way from Frisco, I'm going back to Dixieland. For my pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, waiting for a train. De-yodel-lady, oh, de-yodel-lady, hey, de-yodel-lady. Oh God, do we know anything else today? I think I know one, if I can find a dang thing. Sorry for the wait. Oh crap, I'll just play anything, it's taking too long. Your day breaks, your mind aches, you find that all her words of kindness linger on when she no longer needs you. She wakes up, she makes up, she takes her time and doesn't feel she has to hurry. She no longer needs you, and in her eyes you see nothing. No sign of love behind the tears cried for no one. A love that should have lasted years. You want her, you need her, and yet you don't believe her when she says her love is dead. You think she needs you, and in her eyes you see nothing. No sign of love behind the tears cried for no one. A love that should have lasted years. Stay home, she goes out. She says that long ago she knew someone, but now he's gone, she doesn't need him. Your day breaks, your mind aches. There'll be a time when all the things she said will fill your head. You won't forget her, and in her eyes you see nothing. No sign of love behind the tears cried for no one. A love that should have lasted years. Thanks everyone, sorry for the wait.